Brno is the second largest city in the Czech Republic, after Prague, with a population of approximately 400,000 residents. The city is known for its rich history, dating back to the 13th century when it was founded as a royal city. Brno is located in the South Moravian region, and it serves as the administrative center of the region. The city is famous for its modernist architecture, including the Villa Tugendhat, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Brno has a vibrant cultural scene, hosting numerous festivals, concerts, and art exhibitions throughout the year. The Spilberg Castle, originally built in the 13th century, stands on a hill overlooking the city and has served as a royal palace, fortress, and prison. The city is home to several universities, including Masaryk University, which is one of the largest in the country. Brno is known for its unique culinary scene, featuring traditional Czech dishes and international cuisine. The city has a well-preserved historical center, with beautiful squares, churches, and Baroque buildings that reflect its architectural heritage. The Brno ossuary is one of the largest ossuaries in Europe, containing the remains of over 50,000 people and is located beneath the Church of St. James. The city's historical significance is highlighted by the fact that it was the capital of Moravia for several centuries. Brno is famous for its coffee culture, with numerous cafes that serve high-quality coffee and pastries. The city hosts the annual Brno Biennale, one of the oldest and most prestigious exhibitions of contemporary graphic design in the world. The Moravian Karst, located near Brno, is a protected area known for its stunning limestone caves and gorges. Brno has a diverse population, with a mix of Czech, Slovak, and other ethnic communities contributing to its cultural fabric. The city is known for its vibrant nightlife, with a plethora of bars, clubs, and live music venues. Brno's public transportation system is efficient and includes trams, buses, and trolleybuses, making it easy to navigate. The city is a hub for technology and innovation, hosting numerous tech startups and research institutions. Brno is often referred to as the Silicon Valley of the Czech Republic due to its thriving tech scene. The Brno Circuit, officially known as the Masaryk Circuit, is a famous motorsport racetrack that hosts various international racing events. The city has a strong tradition of craftsmanship, particularly in glassmaking and ceramics. Brno is famous for its annual Ignis Brnensis fireworks competition, which attracts visitors from around the world. The city is home to the Brno Philharmonic Orchestra, which performs regularly at the Janáček Theatre. Brno's architectural highlight, the functionalist Villa Tugendhat, was designed by renowned architect Ludwig Mies van der Rohe in 1928. The city hosts the Brno International Music Festival, featuring performances by renowned classical musicians and orchestras. Brno is known for its numerous parks and green spaces, providing residents and visitors with opportunities for outdoor recreation. The city has a strong student population, with a significant number of young people contributing to its lively atmosphere. Brno's historical buildings often showcase a mix of Gothic, Baroque, and Renaissance architectural styles. The city has a unique tradition of celebrating St. Nicholas Day, where local children receive gifts from Street Nicholas and his helpers. Brno has a network of bike paths and is becoming increasingly bicycle-friendly, promoting eco-friendly transportation. The city is home to several notable museums, including the Moravian Museum and the Museum of Contemporary Art. Brno has a thriving theater scene, with numerous theaters offering a variety of performances, from drama to opera. The city is known for its excellent wine production, particularly white wines from the nearby Moravian wine region. Brno's main square, Náměstí Svobody, is a popular gathering place for locals and tourists alike, featuring shops, cafes, and events. The city has a rich tradition of folklore and folk music, often celebrated during local festivals. Brno is home to the famous trams of Brno, which are an essential part of the city's public transportation system. The city has a diverse range of shopping options, from modern malls to traditional markets. The Brno Astronomical Clock, located in the Old Town Hall, is one of the city's notable landmarks and features a unique design. The city has a rich literary history, with several famous Czech authors having ties to Brno. Brno is known for its friendly and welcoming atmosphere, making it a popular destination for international visitors. The city has a strong focus on sustainability, with initiatives aimed at promoting green energy and reducing waste. Brno's vibrant art scene includes numerous galleries showcasing contemporary and traditional art. The city hosts a variety of sports events, including football, ice hockey, and basketball, with passionate local teams. Brno is well connected to other major cities in the Czech Republic and Europe through a network of trains and buses. The city has a strong emphasis on education, with many institutions offering high-quality programs in various fields. Brno has several historic churches, including the Cathedral of St. Peter and Paul, known for its stunning architecture and panoramic views of the city. The city hosts the Brno Design Days, an event that showcases innovative design and creativity. Brno's history is marked by various cultural influences, including German, Hungarian, and Jewish communities. Brno has a strong sports culture, with many facilities and clubs available for residents to participate in various activities.